Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. This video consists of an ultimate method or ultimate solution to using YouTube on your older devices, such as your devices like iPhone 6, iPhone 5s, or all the other iPads which are running iOS 12, 12.5.7, or any other older version such as iOS 13, iOS 14, all right, on your other devices. For this video, we will be using an iPhone 7, which is currently running iOS 12.4.1. The method shared in this video is completely free, it is completely safe, and this video is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to let users use their older devices and use them for good. So to begin with, installing YouTube app, we will go to the official app store and then simply get the latest available compatible version for YouTube after of course searching for YouTube using the search option, installing it, and then hitting the download button and wait for the download and installation to complete. I will go home and you will see it right here. While it gets installed, one more thing, if you do not see the cloud download icon, the solution is simple. You can use the same Apple ID on a compatible device on a compatible iOS version once and then get YouTube on it, all right? And then you can use that same ID, the Apple ID, on this older device, then search and you will see the cloud download icon here, and then you can get the last compatible version. And if you don't have a newer compatible device on a compatible iOS version, you can use an alternative method from the description to get that cloud download icon to get the last compatible version. Now as you can see, the installation is almost complete. Alright, as you can see, the YouTube app is now installed. Now if you open it on your older devices, you will see this update available error, but in reality there is no update. If you try to update, nothing works, and also you will see this update required message on top of it. Now to fix it, simply quit out of it. For this solution, you will have to be jailbroken. The jailbreak guides are in the description. I recommend using the camera jailbreak because you can re-jailbreak it also without a computer. To re-jailbreak without a computer, there is also a guide in the description to assist you. Once you're jailbroken, you will get Celio, or you can also get Cydia if you are jailbroken with Jailbreak. Now simply head to search, and first of all, let's install the libhooker common package, because without it your tweaks will not work. You can simply search for it and install this package, and it will also automatically install all the other relevant packages for you. And if you are jailbroken with Jailbreak, of course you will have Cydia. Instead of installing libhooker common, you will go to search and search for substitute and then simply install that package. Once either of the relevant packages to run your tweaks are installed, go to sources and make sure you add the boomsmart.github.io/repo, and with that install or add repo.charis.com. To add a repo, you can simply hit this plus button, simply type it here and then hit add source. Now simply open the boomsmart's repo, go to all categories and search for legacy, all right? And you will find this package called YouTube Legacy. Simply tap on it and then hit the get button. Queue and confirm to install this package. Then simply restart Springboard. Once you are in, now let's open YouTube. Alright, allow. Also on some of your devices, yes, I did not have to follow the three dots and then select play on my iPhone 7, but on your device, on your version, if you have issues playing videos, you can simply tap the triple dot or burger menu and then select play option to play a video if it is not playing for you with a single tap. Okay, now as you can see, YouTube is working without issues. Now Yes, shorts play. If I hit on shorts, if I hit on home and simply search for a video, and then if I try to play it, you can see everything works without a problem. And yes, no issues whatsoever. You can simply seek and everything. Now again, just in case a video is not playing for you, you can simply hit this burger menu or these triple dots and then hit the play option from here to play a video without issues. Yes, search and everything works. I will simply search for my channel. You can see it appeared without breaking the user interface. Yes guys, you will be able to sign in without issues. I will sign in right now. You can simply hit this icon and then hit sign in. Continue. Now I will quickly sign in. Alright, as you can see, I am successfully signed in. You can see it right here. And of course, everything works. Shorts, videos. Now, what if I simply close YouTube from the app switcher? Will it work? Let's find out. Yes, it works without issues. And of course, everything plays, no issues whatsoever, guys. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. Yes, if you want to use WhatsApp on these older devices, that guide or the alternative guides are also in the description. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.